Hey there, this is Michael Cox, General Manager with AFS, Huntsville, Alabama. We've got a few questions here we're going to go over about who AFS is and what we do. So can you tell us a little about who AFS is? So AFS is a company that does foundation and waterproofing repair work. The company started almost 20 years ago out of someone's garage. Our founder, Ben Bayless Jr., and he literally built the company up with his own hands, and now we cover several states, and we have over 6 branches doing work every day. Can you tell us about an industry you are in and why there is such a need for a business like ours? So we're in the construction industry, but we do home repair. That's our primary work. We do some commercial work as well, but mostly it's just your normal home, probably where you live. This is a needed industry for a multitude of reasons. Homes are built to keep you safe and keep you dry, but unfortunately sometimes that stuff falls apart because the ground can move. It could maybe be built incorrectly, and of course it's always raining and there's always water. So those issues can build up and cause problems to the home, and we can come in and actually get that stuff fixed for you or for a customer and keep you living in the home nice and safe. Is the foundation and waterproofing industry growing? It's growing tremendously. You can imagine how many homes there actually are. And we also go through seasons. Homes get older. They go through seasons of rain and drought areas and times. And so that causes everything to change around the home. And your home could be fine today, but next year it may start having an issue. But again, fortunately, there are companies like ours who are able to come in and repair that pretty quickly and keep you safe in the home. What types of positions are available on your team? So overall, we've got several positions. So we have people who go out and inspect the home. They diagnose what's going on. They draw up a repair plan. They help customers understand what's really going on. We also have the production teams that come out and actually put the work in the ground. Those are our primary departments that do the most work. But there are a ton of other support roles, such as office managers, site administrators, accounting, marketing, that support this and help us get the awareness out and help us get jobs done. We also have a full service department. The service department is there to, as some homes get fixed, we may install appliances such as like a sump pump or something to collect the water and remove it from the home. And those pumps are mechanical. They won't last forever. So our service department's able to come in and keep those pumps running all the time and keep again the home safe. What types of employee candidates are we looking for? So this is a great question. We tend to look for the right people. And what I mean by that is what we do, a lot of people can learn and we can teach them. So it's really important for us to know who the person is, their attitude, what's important to them, what they like to do, what they don't like to do, so we can help put them in the right seat and get them set up for success to help our customers, help our team, and thus help themselves. Any advice for someone that would be interviewing with you? So my advice to someone who would be interviewing with me is to be completely honest about who they are. Again, it's a two-way conversation. It's not just me wanting to get information from you. It's also you wanting to get information from me. So to do that, have a real conversation about who you are and what's important to you. It's critical that you are also happy where you're at and it's the right fit. And finally, something cool about AFS and the work we do. So that's an interesting question. There's a lot of cool things we do. I was not thinking that I would do something like this, or a lot of people that work here I don't think thought that they would be in this work environment or this industry, but there's a real need out there. And I think it's really cool that servicing others fulfills a lot of the people that work here. It's a real thing. It's important to us, and we live that breathe it, and do it every day. I appreciate the time.